lesson too. So that was also someone wanted me to do that. Okay, let me go into that. There's got to be a settings feature because that is important. But well, let me see where I have to share my screen first. So let me, okay, share screen. Okay, multiple, okay, now I see the multiple participants can share the screen.
Okay.
Did that change anything?
Let me try.
Okay.
It says I can. Hold on.
Okay, we had someone else join the lesson.
Yeah, Anish did.
I'm sorry, can you say your name again? Anish? And what's your name? Karthik?
Karthik, yeah.
Karthik. Okay. All right. So let me go back. So is everyone here that's supposed to be here?
I think we're waiting on one more.
Okay. Now let me go into the okay, so I'm gonna hit share the desktop. Okay, I have to go into my Mac system preferences to I should just have to hit accept. Zoom will not be able to record the content until it is quit. Okay, I think I have to log back out for some reason, but I just stay here. I'm logging right back in if I drop out because so I can share my screen. Okay, so just stay here. Okay. So I'm still here. Now let me try to share my screen. All right. So you should see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So let's all right. So I'll show you I'm gonna hit the nine. So we were gonna go start with a timekeeper type app. I'll show you something I'm working on now so you can just kind of see this is more of an advanced file. But you know, it's very versatile what you can do with this. So this is just a playbook for like basketball. So I'm opening up Xcode, and so have you looked at Xcode? Have you played with it at all?
Not really.
Okay. So right now, I mean, this is all the code that went into making this. Right. I mean, it says 1,200 lines of code, and it's building and running. It's compiling right now. So that's what the general computer architecture coding it talks about when you're compiling all the code for it to run the instructions. So does anyone have any programming experience?
Not
Yes.
really.
So okay, so what kind of stuff have you
I just messed around with Unity. I do some code.org. I did some Unity, the game.
so that's gaming, right?
Yeah, I messed around with that, yeah.
Okay, I've heard of it. I don't really have that much experience with that. I mostly do this, but I can also do I'm learning some of the Java stuff, and I know some basic HTML. HTML is pretty simple, but so if we look in this right here, you know, in basketball there's 5 positions, so I can draw. I can draw here. I can make this bigger. I can clear it. I can do this. I can change the color. I can save that. So then I go into my plays. I go into it and then I have it. So that's just a more advanced thing. That took me a long time to make. What did you think of that?
Looks cool.
Looks cool. Okay. So
It's going on right now. It's on right now.
so let's just go in. Let's go into the All right. So I'm gonna see now if I can see everyone's screen. I'm in the the first thing. Let's
Yeah.
have everyone open up Xcode and create a new project. Let's do that right now.
Okay.
All right. So
Should we share our screen or?
yeah, I think that'd be beneficial for everyone to share their screen. You don't have to, but I mean, I can't really see what you're doing if you don't. So someone stated that there was a error in the screen share, but I think it's fixed now.
How do I share my screen?
So
At the bottom, it should have
it should say screen share. I know I can.
I just shared my screen, so
Okay. All right. I'm not. I'm always confused with. Okay. So who just said they said did who said they just said share their screen?
Anushka.
Anushka. I can see just still with your profile is just A. I can't see your screen.
Says I'm screen sharing. Okay.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll just have to go on with that. Whiteboard, Safari. Okay. What is the advanced portion of screen? Okay. What? All right. So we're just going to first go into Xcode. So well, hopefully we'll be able to work that out with the screen share, but for now, so let's all just open up a blank Xcode project. Is everybody there? So I'm just gonna create one from scratch right now. So I just went into my Spotlight and I hit Xcode. And
Is this for iOS?
Okay, so I'm gonna hit create new Xcode project, and you're gonna want to do exactly what I'm doing. So right now under the iOS section, you're gonna want to hit single view app. And then you're gonna want to hit next, and then you can just do whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna call mine test timer. It can be called anything. All right, I'm gonna hit stop share to see if I can see anyone else's screen.